While the idea of a hollow Earth has been popularized in various myths and conspiracy theories, there isn't any scientific evidence to support the existence of large hollow spaces or gaps deep within the Earth. The Earth's structure is well understood through geology and seismology, which show that the Earth consists of several solid and molten layers. Crust, the outermost layer, which is solid and relatively thin compared to the other layers. Mantle. Beneath the crust, this layer is mostly solid but behaves like a viscous fluid over geological timescales. Outer core, a liquid layer composed mainly of iron and nickel. Inner core, a solid sphere made of iron and nickel at the very center. In terms of drilling, the deepest humans have drilled into the Earth is the Kola Super Deep borehole in Russia, which reaches about 7.5 miles deep. This is just a tiny fraction of the distance to the Earth's center. Kola only penetrates about a third of Earth's crust, and 0.2% of the entire distance to the center of Earth, which is about 3,959 miles deep. Throughout this drilling, researchers have found no evidence of large hollow areas or gaps. While there are small voids and caverns within the Earth's crust, such as caves formed by erosion, these are localized and do not indicate a hollow structure on a larger scale. Overall, the concept of significant hollow areas deep within the Earth is not supported by scientific evidence. Thanks for watching. Your support means the world to me.